Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. See here, uh, I unboxed two products. Which one is Pigeon 3 liter pressure cooker, aluminum pressure cooker. Another one is the transparent, invisible, waterproof glue, which fixes water leakage or issues in the kitchen cabinet or in between the tiles. So the third one is MZ S700 life saving LED torch. So this is the rechargeable torch. I bought this for like 175 rupees. Yeah, 175 rupees. And this for 149 rupees, and this for 600 rupees. So if possible, I'll be adding those products in the view products list. You can check. Yeah, this is the torch, what all they provided. Thank you, enjoy your okay, this is something like that. Yeah, and this is the torch, and this is the data cable. The data cable charging slot is something like the conventional old one, micro USB. Okay, this is okay. You can keep it for your mobile adapter, I guess. Maybe I'll do the charge test also in the same video. In this unboxing video only, I'll be doing the charge test. And yeah, here this is for nuts breaking, I guess. Yeah, and there is a small knife here, if you observe. Yeah, to cut something, means when there is a thread something like this, you can cut it like this, I guess. Okay, now this is the power switch. So what I'll do is I'll be testing the torch in the night also, then only I can be able to show you the intensity of the light, where it reaches, and how strong is the intensity of the light. During the night I can show you better. Okay, there are different variations, I guess. Yeah, not only straight light. This is the straight light, throwing the light straight ways, and this is the blinking light. So this can be shown as the indicator. So at some point of time, this you can show as the indicator. And the third light is see here. Yeah, steady lights. It's looking like a steady lamp, steady lamp. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, within this budget range, I guess this product is okay. But I'll do a detailed review video on this product. Please do ask in the comments if you want review video of this, means how effectively is this working. You can check. Okay, yeah, that's what. Here it has been charging, so I'll be removing this. Now it's night time, so I'll be using this in the dark night. So let us check how is the focus for this torch, so that after that I'll be ending this video. Yeah, see here, there is total darkness right now. I'll just turn this on. See, you can see it is very decent distance, like 300 meters. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. Like I can see up the trees also. Yeah, the focus strength is good. Yeah, okay, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.